How to do poll on WhatsApp. So if you want to create poll or do the poll trend on WhatsApp, basically what you need is make sure you have a latest version of WhatsApp installed to your device. If not, you could just go to your respective app store and update the app to the latest version. After completely updating, click on the open button and you want to open up the chat where you want to go ahead and create a poll. So let's see, this is one. Now you want to go ahead and select on this paperclip icon. There you can find poll. You could simply select, you could go ahead and add in a question, you could add in the option as well, you could create more options, and like this you could give an option and you could also add in more options. And if you are done with the option, you could simply leave it as it is. Click on the send button, and that is how you're going to do a poll on WhatsApp. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.